Hello guys, welcome to Khan's CAD Academy with another tutorial. Today, in this tutorial, we will be learning about creating relations of dimensions with each other. That will surely help you to develop a fully parametric 3D model. That is, by changing one dimension will automatically change the other dimension as per equation. So today we will try to put some equations in the dimensions and we will see how that works. So let's start with creating a new file, part file. So let's start with some basic sketch on the top plane. And remember my words that to start any object with making the origin as a center. So we'll take the origin as a center. We'll take any random dimension. So let's take it as 5 inches. Let's take it as 5 inches also. Sorry, let's extrude it now. 2 inches. Now let's make some features. Let's get some features on the top plane. Let's make a hole, and let's make 2. Extrude cut. Select through all. Okay, now after doing all this, now we will create a dimensional relationship by inserting an equation in the dimensions, so that if you, let's say if you change this one dimension, that would automatically change the other dimensions as we have developed the equations. It will be according to that. So let's develop some equation and try relating this feature with the length and width of this rectangle. So for that you must first edit the sketch of the initial square that we made and note down the name. The name of this dimension is d1@sketch1. So you should copy it, click OK. Now let's go to this cut extrude, edit its sketch and click on this dimension, right? You can dimension it again, so you get this window. Now we will relate this dimension with that length. So let's do it. Initially you would start with an equal sign, then you put a quotation marks and paste the name of that dimension that we already copied. Now end with the quotation. So when it's blue, it means you are going right. Now let's make an equation that this circle will be half of the dimension of the length of that dimension. So let's divide it by 2. So it will create this feature, the diameter of this feature always half of that initial length. Now when you have to complete the equation by giving it units. So we'll give it inches as a unit. Now we click OK. So this is now 2.50. Let's check the other dimension. This is 5. Sorry. And this is 2.5. So this is exactly the half of this length. Now let's try changing this dimension and see what's the effect on this. We should go. Let's change these dimensions. Let's make it 10 and also make it 10. So now let's see. So you can see that this length is becoming 10. So this diameter is becoming 5. So in this way you can relate dimensions to each other in all the complex in any complex part that you made, and it will be easier for you to look what's the effect, and you can develop a very good parametric model that can be easily changed. So I hope you like the tutorial. If you have any queries, you can leave a comment in the section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Peace out.